from me to Chicago. Me and my sister took the Amtrak train, and as a disabled girly, I would never do that again. Put me back on the flight. We stayed at the Residence Inn Marriott downtown. The hotel is really nice. We did a little sightseeing, and then we ended up at the Zara. My sister needed to do a little shopping, and I ended up at Sephora. Got myself 2 perfumes for my birthday. I got Forever Mood, Hard to Get, and another Cali perfume. And we got hungry and ended up someplace called Jake's. They are known for their wings. So I had got Asian wings at first. Didn't really like those. So I got habanero wings, and those burned my mouth. But the pickles was really good. And it was actually really chilly in Chicago, like in the low 70s. And to me, that's cold. Okay. After that, we ended up at the rooftop at the Jeffries Hotel. Chicago has like some of the best views in the city I've ever seen. We got espresso martinis. After that, we ended up at Giorgiano's. Chicago people, y'all can keep that pizza, okay? Like, it really wasn't all that good. My sister didn't like hers either. So, but it's just us, no biggie. So the whole trip, that first day, we kind of just ate and walked, and we went to Chip City that night and went back to the hotel. Stay tuned for part 2.
Even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it?
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will I rock with my rebel yell underneath? You wanna step to me? Said you got a long way to go. Rock with me, claim that you're so hot. And you say you got skills in the bedroom.
Come spend day 2 with me in Chicago. So on this day, we just did a whole lot of sightseeing. We walked past the riverfront. That was really pretty. Like, the views of Chicago, again, like, they're gorgeous, okay? And then we made our way to Millennium Park. Eventually, I didn't even see this man behind me when I had my camera up, but he was having a good old time. They had a lot of events going on in the park that day, so that was really cool. Finally made our way to the Beam. I've been wanting to go there forever. And you know what? Like, it's cool, but it's really just a giant mirror. That's just it. But it's pretty now. Something to take pictures in front of. We walked around the park some more and made our way to Navy Pier. I don't know what I thought Navy Pier was. I don't know, but it was just a big river. I got some candy apples inside, which made me really happy because I love caramel apples, especially during the summer, because that's the only time you can get them. It's actually during the fall. And then I went to Divine's for dinner. It was really nice in there. They had a live performance going on. Love that. Okay, so this was actually my birthday dinner, and I really enjoyed it. Me and my sister, we always have a good time on our sister trips. Stay tuned for part 3. Spend day 3 with me in Chinatown in Chicago. So we went to this place called Joy. I got a lychee smoothie that was really good. Now, I eat ramen on a regular, but the one I get at home, it be all seasoned up. This one must have been the authentic version because it was very bland. Like, I never want that ever again. It was the biggest bowl I've ever seen in my life. Like, as a disabled girly, I'm struggling, okay? After that, we left, walked some more, and I went to this place. They had a croffle. A Biscoff croffle. That was the best sweets. I love sweets. That's the best thing I ate in a long time. And I need it again. I came back home and I'm trying to find it. I really am. We just scrolled around Chinatown some more. It started pouring raining. And then it started raining even harder. And I'm just looking like, are you for real? Like, come on now. We made it into their convenience store. They had so many different flavors of chips. I didn't get any. I'm not a chip eater, and I also couldn't make my mind up. My sister got some crawfish chips. She said they was actually kind of good. And we ended our day at the rooftop of our hotel. Spend day 4 with me in Chicago. So we went to breakfast that morning. We went to this restaurant called the Honey Bear Cafe. It was so pretty in there. And let me tell you, if you want some bomb breakfast in Chicago, go here. I had got some banana stuffed French toast. When I say that food was so good, I didn't even finish eating all of it. Best believe I took it home with me, okay? After that, we left. My sister went to this, I forgot the name of it, but it's a place where you can customize yourself a Chicago hat. So she went and did that. And then we made our way to the Starbucks, the four-story Starbucks. I had footage of it. I don't know what happened. That's all I had left in my phone. But we did go to the top of the rooftop. I thought it was going to be more than that, but it wasn't. It was cute. They got me this little content. That's about it. Each floor just had a coffee bar. That's all. I didn't want any because I just got done eating, so I was good. But it was cute in there, you know. And then we made our way to Garrett's. My sister wanted some popcorn. I'm not a big popcorn eater, but we stopped and got her some. And then I think that was like the end of our trip, really. Like, Chicago was really fun. It was my first time there, and I will definitely be going back. Chicago owes me nothing, okay? And I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.